is my, oh no, I blocked it again. So this is my Pyromorphix, and it jiggles a lot, so that's interesting. So that's because of loose springs and no centers. As well, if I'm doing this and shape-shifting, it can also adjust to Pyraminx-like moves. Like this. This is actually a mod, and I made it by myself, and it is fairly easy. So it's like the 2x2 Pyromorphix. It's like the 2x2 Pyraminx, but at a Pyromorphix scale. So I can roll out, slash. So here's the a scramble. And here's the solve. So it's fairly easy and not a big affair. There has been some sort of changes now. I've got a new cube. It is the cube box. So I decided to repiece the entire affair. So it's just pull it apart, reconstruct, and pull apart, reconstruct. It's just, yeah. So, yeah. I personally call this the pull apart blocks, and it's interesting. So, this is the 2 new cubes thing. Yeah, and I want to tell you something more. It's the Void Cube. This is the Landland Void Cube. It uses tracks, you see? Like there. So, that is the 3 interesting Rubik's Cubes. And see you next time, and I hope you're having a good day. Bye.